When we talk about analytics in today's supply chain and business world, there are several powerful tools that companies rely on. Let's quickly go through the top ones. Now let's talk about different tools used across industry for analytics. We will see some of the well-known tools, but there are hundreds of the powerful offerings across industry. Our first tool is Tableau. This is one of the most popular data visualization platforms. It helps users turn raw data into interactive dashboards and charts that are very easy to understand. Supply chain teams often use Tableau to track KPIs like order fulfillment, delivery time, and inventory levels. Our next tool is Power BI by Microsoft. Similar to Tableau, Power BI integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Office and cloud systems. It's cost-effective and widely used by companies of all sizes to analyze business performance and generate quick insights. Another important tool is SAP Analytics Cloud. This is often used by large enterprises because it connects directly with SAP ERP and supply chain modules. It provides not just reporting but also predictive and prescriptive analytics capabilities. Then we have SAS Analytics, which has been a leader in advanced statistical modeling for decades. Many companies use SAS for predictive modeling, demand forecasting, and risk analysis in supply chains. Another widely used tool is ClickSense. It allows associative data modeling, meaning users can freely explore data relationships rather than sticking to predefined reports. This makes it powerful for discovering hidden patterns. And finally, Python and R. These are not exactly tools, but more of a programming languages used for advanced analytics and machine learning. Many organizations use them when they need customized models for demand prediction, optimization, or anomaly detection. So whether it's Tableau and Power BI for quick dashboards, or SAS and Python for advanced modeling, the choice depends on the company's size, complexity, and analytics maturity. Hopefully you liked this quick overview and learned that these tools are the real engines behind modern data-driven supply chains. So, in a nutshell, analytics is the art and science of using data to generate insights and guide smarter decisions. We saw its three types: descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive. And we also walked through how it works step by step. Real-world uses in forecasting, logistics, and warehousing show how practical it is, and the case study of P&G proves its value at scale. So we simply saw how analytics is no longer optional. It is the digital compass guiding modern supply chains. Hopefully, you found this concept useful, and I believe you've gained an important learning today.